A district in southwestern Madagascar, about 1,100 kilometers away from the capital city of Antananarivo, Lumahee is well known for its carpets made of goat wool, also called mohair carpet. However, as a result of climate change and El Niño, the district is affected by drought, recurrent food insecurity, and consequently rampant malnutrition. This has direct consequences on education. Children do not have enough to eat and are not motivated to go to school. If at all they attend school, they can't stay focused during classes.
Mahatonga io sy misy ranon'oragny fara amizay kanefa tahony sakafo vary fa sisy vary sy misy ranon'ora tahony sakafo balahazo sy misy sakafo balahazo satria sisy ranon'ora fara humorake tahona humangao.
To address the El Niño phenomenon affecting the Lumahee district, ADRA Madagascar has implemented the School Feeding Initiative SFI project. Supported by Rise Against Hunger, the project seeks to increase school attendance rate by providing school children with daily meals served during the school opening days. Proper feeding and nutrition help children stay focused and motivate them to go to school. A nutritious rice, soy and vegetable blend that provides the needed energy is distributed to beneficiary students. The school feeding project started in 2017, implemented in 103 schools in 7 communes in Lumahee. Only 3 are government schools and the other 100 are schools built by the community members. The quality of education has been a great challenge because of a lack of teachers and inadequate school infrastructure. Absenteeism rate was high before SFI project started.
Raha oharina tamin'ny mbola tsy nisian'ny SFI ADRA dia tena nahitana hoe ny tombony isan'ny zaza niditra an-tsekoly nohon'io antony resaka kantiny io. Satria tsara marina aty amin'ny sisiko any Lumahee fa dia tena toetrandro mafana sy maina. Dikan'izay tsy misy zavatsazo antenaina, tsy misy mpianatra mandeha mianatra satria tsatsany hanoanana. Nohon' izay fisian'ny kantiny SFI ADRA zay dia maro ny mpianatra niditra an-tsekoly satria sady misakafo no mianatra.
In addition to the school meals, the project gives rice to the children to take home during the lean season. This is to help the parents through this period of food shortage. Teachers and parents receive training in vegetable gardening and are provided with seeds and other agricultural production tools. So, even when the project ends, the school children will always have food to eat. 17,402 children from the communes where SFI was implemented have benefited from the project during the 2018 and 2019 school year.
Tena tsy mitovy misy ty ajajavoky na ajajakire satria le ajajakire zany tsy mazoto na andakilasy ao magnoakoaka avao tahiroro fa tsy li zany ampira ao repisa ao manao tsikidona tsy afaky le zajakire zany fa ny zazavoky tena mazoto mihitsy hatra mi kalikily tena hay reo mampiakatsy faripahaiza zany le havokisa.
SFI project also conduct awareness-raising campaigns to encourage parents to enroll and retain their children in school. The project focuses on persuading parents to keep sending their children to school even during significant local events like a town fair or market day. It also urges them not to allow premature marriage of their daughters.
Kirana pianaranay wazi faniana sabi taluha ti anangeu tafavoaki abekio irienai nanai nanakio katanai ke dem sau seminareu na namunzanai na rufibeiza mampiana sanai nanurone fianarangitia
lena zutuni anatza tapak saura bevata la fa zahai vuki ana ayu te mianat